Hello and welcome. This is a short segment on turning on your computer, plugging everything in, and logging on to the Agora online school. First of all, the power cord should be plugged in right here in the back. Okay. When you hear that sound, that means it's plugged in. Then over here, we can plug in our printer. And I'll put that on the bottom actually. The printer and the mouse, it doesn't matter which one goes where. Now you also need internet service, preferably high speed internet. I have a wireless router modem, but if you do have a cord that you need to plug in for your modem or your router, you would plug it in right here. Now the printer is an all-in-one printer, which means that it also does faxing, scanning, and copying in addition to printing. And those buttons are at the top here. For installation of the printer, I recommend that you follow the owner's manual that came with the printer. And fax capabilities require a cord to your phone line. So you would plug that cord into your phone jack, telephone jack, whenever you wanted to fax something. If you have any technical problems doing this, you can always call K-12. The customer care line is 1-866-512-2273. That's K-12 Care. 1-866-512-2273. Okay, so after you've plugged everything in, you would want to turn on your computer. And the on switch is actually right here. It'll take a few minutes to what they call boot up. And then once you've done that, you want to go to Internet Explorer. I'll try to close up here. And then the website that you want to go to is www.agora.org. Let me show you that. That's www.agora.org or www.k12.com/agora. Okay? So give me a minute and I'll type that in. And you might even want to add that to your favorites. And the way you would do that is you would come down to Favorites and just hit Add to Favorites. And if that's what you want to add, then you just say yes, add that. Okay, so let me type in http://www.agora.org. Okay, this is the sign-in page for Agora. And what you would do here is choose OLS login. OLS is the online school. So you would click on OLS login. And then you can see that it's asking for your username and your password. If you forgot either one of these, either forgot your username or forgot your password, you can hit forgot username or forgot password, and your password or username will be emailed to the email address that you gave when you signed up. So I'm going to type in my username and password and hit login, which is right below there. And this is actually the parent account. So on the parent landing page, you'll see an attendance tab and a high school tab, and these will be gone over in other sessions. You'll also see your K-mail up here, which is our main way of communicating with you, the parent. And through this account, you can monitor your students' progress. Now I'm going to log in as a student. So give me a second. And your username and password are confidential, so you shouldn't be giving those out to anybody. Okay, so now I'm logging in as a student. And this is the student landing page. All my student courses are listed here. If I click on a course, then I can access the course. And then this is my K-mail, and I can reach my K-mail from here, and several other things that will be gone over in another session. So again, to log into the online school is www.agora.org. And if you have any technical problems at you can call K-12 Customer Care at 1-866-512-2273. Thanks very much.